Waterfalls. Second to the last spot. We are at the waterfalls area. The American is not wearing any coat. I don't know if he's cold or not. Sammy, are you cold? Okay, he's cold. We won't be staying here for long. We are at the Shifen Water Park. We got the falls. You see it over there. And we are at the bridge right now, crossing the bridge to check more waterfalls, and it's very wobbly, so that's fun. We're walking. Those are big fish. Look how big those fishes are. Oh, look, this one also goes out. Niagara Falls. US din siya. Border. O, border yun. Pwede ka mag-boat. Wow! Here comes the waterfall. Wow!
Ganyang ngiti, pares kayo ng kabayo.
I don't know.
Okay, yaps. Alin.
Ay, ang ganda. Sammy, what are you planning to do? We're gonna fly. Don't you dare. Okay, I'm getting dizzy already.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Parang masisira sa atin itong ano.
Pumunta lang talaga kayo dito, mag-asira kayo ng dami yung pagkasin.
Wala.
Uy, wala daw. Uy, sa forest.
Wala.
Nagduyan-duyan.
Malaki pa sa... Ano, wala po lang. Ano sa'yo?
Tawas siya sa akin naman.
O, kamusta ang lakad?
Hindi nga sila. Nakapo na ako. Ay, asan kailangan mo nang magbawas ng timbang.
Napagod na po sila mga kaibigan. Hindi na kinain ng powers yung mahabang pag-akyat at taas ang Puntang Falls. Pero ang ganda siya.
A few inches later.
Kami sa may lantern, at riles. Yan po marami ng nagpapalipad.
Our last activity for today, Shifen Sky Lantern.
Okay.
Shifen Sky Lanterns are popular activity in Shifen Old Street. Traditionally, mine workers use this as a signaling system, and it has then evolved to a tradition of sending wishes into the sky. This is considered as one of those fun activities, especially for tourists. You can choose a lantern and write all of your wishes on all 4 sides. You can select the color of your lanterns. Red is for health and peace, yellow for money and wealth, blue for career and promotion, purple is for study and test, white is for future and brightness, orange is for love and marriage, green for vigor and success, magenta for attraction and popularity, and last color, pink for bliss and joy. You have the option to select one color for all 4 sides, or for an additional fee, you can have different colors for different wishes on all 4 sides. You can have your own personal lantern, or just what our family did, we just bought one for all of us. Mas tipid. Once you've written all of your wishes on all 4 sides, a staff will assist you. They will help light the lantern and release it. If you ever visit Taiwan, don't miss Shifen. There's so many things to see and so many activities to do. You will truly enjoy it with your family.